Hello friend, the moment winter begins, heart attack cases suddenly rise every single year. Whether it's in India, the US or Europe, the pattern is the same. But the big question is, why does winter increase the risk of heart attacks so much? Today let's understand this in very simple, scientific and Ayurvedic terms. Hello everyone. Newspapers are full of cases. 20 years old, 30 years old, 50 years old, sudden deaths. But if you understand where the real danger is hidden, you can make your heart almost 10 times safer during winter. Why heart attack increase in winter? There are four major physiological reasons. Number one is body temperature drops, blood pressure rises. When the cold hits, our core body temperature drops. To maintain heat, the body automatically tightens blood vessels, a process called vasoconstriction. This increases blood pressure. The heart has to pump harder and oxygen demand increases. If someone already has blockage, diabetes, obesity or hypertension, this becomes extremely dangerous. Fact: a 2018 study found that blood pressure increases about 5 to 10 mmHg in winter due to vasoconstriction. Number two is blood becomes thicker, high blood viscosity. Winter causes the blood to become thicker and sticky. Platelets become more glue-like, increasing the chance of blood clot formation. Fact is, winter increases blood viscosity by up to 20%, raising the risk of clot-related heart attacks. Number three is low vitamin D levels. Vitamin D deficiency is already extremely common in India. But during winter, less sunlight plus staying indoors make it worse. Higher inflammation, weak blood vessel lining, unstable cholesterol plaque, and higher chances of plaque rupture tends to sudden heart attack. A statistic: nearly 76% Indians have vitamin D deficiency. Number four is more stress, anxiety, and depression. In winter, stress hormones like cortisol remain higher. This leads to high BP, fast heart rate, and irregular heartbeat, known as arrhythmia. 3 lifestyle habits that make it worse. Number 1 is overeating during winter holidays. December and January means wedding, parties, sweets, fried food, gravies, and zero movement. Heavy meals tend to high sugar and triglycerides. Fried food increases inflammation, and less activity slow blood circulation. This creates a perfect environment for a heart attack. Number 2 is ignoring chest symptoms. We Indians often ignore chest tightness, breathlessness, or left arm heaviness, assuming it's acidity or cold weather. This delay causes maximum heart damage. Many young deaths happen due to ignoring early signals. Number 3 is early morning walks in extreme cold. This will surprise many, but early morning is the riskiest time for the heart. Platelets are naturally more sticky, BP rises sharply, vessels remain tight, and cortisol is at peak. Cold air worsens it even more. Heart attack risk is 2 to 3 times higher during early morning in winters. Now, how to protect your heart in winter? The 7 simple tips. Tip number 1. Protect yourself from cold. Wear layers, gloves, cap, muffler, socks, especially in the morning. Second, check BP, sugar and cholesterol. If high, meet your doctor quickly. Third one, stay hydrated. Low water intake, thicker blood, higher clot risk. Number 4, maintain vitamin D. Get sunlight for 20 to 25 minutes or take supplements after doctor's advice. Fifth one, reduce salt, sugar and fried foods. Sixth, move every 2 to 3 hours. Light walking or stretching improves circulation. And seventh is, never ignore chest heaviness or discomfort. Act immediately and visit a doctor for ear. Number 4, winter foods that increase heart attack risk. Number 1 is gajar ka halwa. Delicious but dangerous when eaten frequently. High sugar, high ghee and mawa increases LDL cholesterol and thicken blood. Eat occasionally, not regularly. Biryani, gravies, Rogan Josh, Nihari, butter chicken, high saturated fat tends to artery blockage. Reheated oil creates toxins which raises homocysteine. Slow digestion causes inflammation. Eat rarely, avoid daily consumption. Third one, deep fry snacks. Samosa, kachori, pakoras, packed with trans fat, blood thickening plus inflammation, and raises triglyceride sharply. Best avoided, especially in winter. Fourth one, rabdi, gajar, chikki. Healthy in moderation, harmful when overeaten. High sugar load raises BP and triglycerides. Thickened blood not suitable for diabetic. Conclusion: winter is a beautiful season, but only a few wrong habits make it dangerous for the heart. If you follow these guidelines, your heart stays safe and strong.